How is everyone doing? It's definitely been a while since I've seen you in a vlog format. I'm happy to say that Slice of Judy season 2 is back and rolling. My last vlog was back in May or June, so I took a little bit of a break off vlogging, and I feel like I'm ready to be back, but in more of a monthly style vlog rather than it being weekly. So I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to see you guys. I hope everyone has been doing well. I feel like since the last time I've seen you in the vlog, obviously you guys see me in between with my beauty videos, but I feel like the people that watch my vlogs, there's a special bond. But yeah, I feel like there's just a lot to catch you guys up on, so I thought I would do a little intro before we hop into everything. I think first off, I got bangs, which you probably would have already seen in my normal videos, but to me, I only got this like 2 days ago, so I'm still adjusting to it. I mean, I had bangs earlier on in the year, but I had short hair. So now I have medium length hair, and I didn't cut it myself this time, so it does look a little bit better, but definitely still figuring out how to style it, you know. Since June, I would say my lifestyle definitely kind of did a 180. Back in May, I was living a lifestyle where I was sleeping around 3 or 4 in the morning, waking up around 10 or 11, just a very night owl type of lifestyle, which I love. Don't get me wrong, absolutely love it. It's honestly like really fun. But since then, my sleeping pattern has flipped 180. I'm sleeping before midnight. I'm waking up around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, which, you know, technically I'm still getting the same amount of sleep. So even though I'm saying I'm prioritizing my sleep, I'm still getting like 6 hours of sleep. And that definitely changed a lot because I started going Pilates. I started going in June, and I take the 7 a.m. class, which means I gotta get up early. So that kind of just shifted my whole routine. What else has been different since June? I think that's the main thing. I've been, you know, doing a few new things. You know, I took a pole dancing class, which I still have 4 more classes to go, and I'm probably not gonna do it again because literally it's so hard. But let's talk about today. Today is my friend's birthday. Well, it's actually next week, but I'm gonna celebrate with her today. We're just gonna be doing something chill at her house. So I'm about to head out now. I'm gonna go pick up her cake, pick up some balloons, and just do a little mini surprise at her house. The gift for her is actually this Totoro puzzle, but it looks like stained glass, so the puzzle piece is stained. You guys will see it later in the vlog. I'll vlog today, but I thought we could, you know, do it together, a little wholesome turning 26 activity, because that definitely is the vibe, you know. But anyway, I probably should head out now, so happy to see you guys again. I hope you guys will enjoy the vlog, and let's get going. Let's get the balloons, let's get the cake. Alright, so I have arrived. I picked up the cake. It's just a tiny lunchbox cake. It's from One Wish Cakery, which I usually now get all of my vintage cakes from. So if you guys want to support, she does the best. And as you can see, the theme is pastels. So I brought candles.
This one first?
Open this one, because that one is not really like a gift.
Oh, it's so cute. Where's my phone?
I'll get the purple one.
It's cute.
I think this is Sanrio too, I think.
Oh, it's so cute. This is the one I wanted to make.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's so cute.
It's like the same glass. Yeah.
Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome. niece is coming over tomorrow. She's on break from school. She's going to be staying with me for the next few days, and her birthday is at the end of the month. But this year I'm actually giving her a little advent calendar. I did repurpose the year style one, obviously with different things inside, but I'm just repurposing the box, and she's going to receive this tomorrow and count down to her birthday. And I'm really excited to give this to her because I think the gifts are pretty cute. There's a mixture of like candy, like legit gifts as well. Like I got her the sleep mask, and then also there's going to be like little activities that we're going to be doing this week. So for example, we're going to go to a cat cafe, which I did not know we had in Auckland, and then also we're going to go back to the DIY decorate studio, and she's going to decorate a phone case. I'm probably going to do something with her as well. So just a lot of fun activities. I think it's just so cute, you know, and I can repurpose this. But I need to fill up some of the boxes. Did go pick up some candy today to fill up the box. Do you guys know favorites? Like, are these just New Zealand and Australian candy? And this is what I literally grew up with, and like lolly scrambles. So it's like fruit bursts, milkshakes. That's actually pretty much it. And then I also got high chews as well to fill it up. But I want to try this with you guys. I wanted to ask you if you guys know what Milo is. So this is a collab with Kit Kat and Milo. Is Kit Kat worldwide and is Milo worldwide, or is this just like a New Zealand and Australian thing? And I just love trying new candy. Like whenever they have something new at the supermarket, I just gotta try it. I'm sure Kit Kat is worldwide, but I'm not sure about Milo. Pretty much like hot chocolate. It's really good because obviously it's Kit Kat, but I can't really taste the Milo. But anyway, I should probably start doing this because I have a lot of things to do. Like when my niece is over, I feel like I just give her so much attention and so much time that I don't really do so much work, but I need to. So I gotta finish this and get to work. Dun, dun, dun. Happy birthday! We're gonna count down to your birthday. So every day till your birthday, you get a little something something. Okay? So today's day 1, so you can open up number 1. Number 1. Woohoo! Your favorite orange fruit burst and a little birthday letter that will explain what the next 24 days is gonna be. Girl, baby girl. Don't cry. Alright, happy birthday. Birthday girl, happy birthday. 13. Okay, happy birthday. Chunks Can, happy birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Birthday boy. Okay. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hey! Oh, he knocked the candle over. You're too hungry. Baby boy also gets some birthday cake. The queen also gets some birthday cake. saw your friends today, little stinky winky. Why are you gonna be so cute, huh?
But nobody looks like him, right?
Nobody looks like you.
Nobody looks like me.
You're a handsome little boy.
let's show them our Costco haul, okay? PB Fit peanut butter powder. This is Harry's. Apparently he wanted this for a really long time. And we also got these cheesy sesame prawn toast. We also got, what is this?
Waffle fries.
Waffle fries. Got the prawn wonton ramen. Last thing we got was the rotisserie chicken. That was only $8.